Hi all, welcome to our GK class. Today we are moving to the next part, that is all around us. We know we have a lot of information around us, but we cannot learn them all together. So let's look some of them in this topic. The first topic is Zoom Zoo. Here you can see some true or false questions. Let's see in detail. First question is, India's first bullet trains will run between Ahmedabad and Mumbai in 2020. That is false. True is, India's first bullet train services between Mumbai to Ahmedabad will be completed by December 2023, according to a report in news agency PTI. The next question is, the world's first metro system was built in London. That is true. Third question, a barge is a special type of ship that can travel underwater. That is false. True is, a barge is a long, narrow boat with a flat bottom that is used for carrying goods or people on a canal or river. Next question is, Harley Davidson is a popular motorcycle company based in the United States of America. So that is true. Next question, the Airbus A318 is the largest passenger aircraft in India. That is false. Correct is, Air India's 787 Boeing Dreamliner is the largest passenger aircraft in India. Next question is, the world's longest train route is between Yiwu, China and Madrid, Spain, covering more than 12,000 km and crossing 8 countries. That is true. Next is, RMS Titanic was an American passenger ship that sailed from New York City in 1912. That is false. The correct is, RMS Titanic was a British passenger ship that sank in North Atlantic Ocean on 15th April 1912. Next question is, the world's first bullet train, the Shinkansen, runs in Japan. That is true. Vande Bharat Express is India's first semi-high-speed train that runs between Delhi and Varanasi. It is also known as Train 18. You can see that Train 18 here. Next topic is, what is the full form? Here you can see some common abbreviations. Let's see the full form of this abbreviations. First one is ATM. That is Automated Teller Machine. Second, AKA. That is also known as. Next is DIST, that is district. Next, DND, that is do not disturb. Next is ETA, estimated time of arrival. Next is GIF, graphic interchange format. Next is EG, we used to tell example, that full form is Assembly Gracia. Next is SMS, that is short message service. Next is VIP, very important person. Next is SIM or SIM, that is subscriber identification module. Next is PAN, that is PAN, permanent account number. Next is AIR, that is Air, All India Radio. CNG, that is compressed natural gas. Next is FIR, First Information Report. Next, IQ, that is Intelligence Quotient. Next is TTE, that is Traveling Ticket Examiner. Next is DEPT, that is Department. Next is www, World Wide Web. Next is TOEFL, that is Test of English as a Foreign Language. Next is NASA, National Aeronautical and Space Administration. See, an acronym is the shortened form of a phrase using the initial letters of the phrase, but an abbreviation is the shortened form of a word or phrase which need not necessarily be made up of the initial letters. All acronyms are abbreviations, but all abbreviations are not acronyms. Next topic is famous nicknames. In this topic, you can see some famous personalities and their nicknames. First one is Napoleon Bonaparte. His nickname is Man of Destiny. Next is Milkha Singh. Nickname Flying Sikh. Next is Mother Teresa. Nickname is Saint of the Gutters. Next is Sunil Gavaskar. Nickname is Little Master. Next, Pele. Nickname Black Pearl. Next is Florence Nightingale. Nickname is Lady with the Lamb. Next is Salim Ali. Nickname is Birdman of India. Next is Lata Mangeshkar. Nickname Swar Kogila. Next is Edmund Spenser. Nickname is Poet's Poet. Next topic is International Days. Some dates in a year are chosen to make people aware of certain issues which impact human life. Here you can see some such dates. First is 13th February, World Radio Day, is observed to celebrate radio as a medium. Next, 20th March, International Day of Happiness, inspires, mobilizes and advances the global happiness movement. Next, 22nd April, Earth Day, spreads awareness about the need to protect the environment. Next is 21st June, International Yoga Day, focuses on the importance of healthy living. Next is 11th July, World Population Day, spreads awareness on how increasing global population affects human life. Next, 2nd October, International Day of Non-Violence, spreads the message of non-violence, peace and understanding. Next is 11th October, International Day of the Girl Child, focuses on empowerment of all girls and women. Next is 20th November, Universal Children's Day, is a day observed to promote international togetherness for children's welfare. Next is 10th December, Human Rights Day, focuses on promoting and raising awareness on fundamental human rights such as humanity, freedom, equality and justice. Next topic is explorers. You can see some famous explorers in this topic and their names. First is Vasco da Gama. He arrived in Calicut, now Kozhikode, in 1498. He was the first European to reach India by sea. Next is Christopher Columbus. He set sail on his first voyage in 1492 on 3 ships, Santa Maria, Pinta and Nina. He has been called the discoverer of the New World. Next is Ferdinand Magellan. He was the first European to sail across the Pacific Ocean and discover the Strait of Magellan. Next is Isabella Bird. She was the first woman to be awarded a fellowship in the Royal Geographical Society in 1892. She was a travel writer, photographer and naturalist. Next is Valentina Tereshkova. She is a former Russian cosmonaut and is the first woman to travel in space on Vostok 6. Next is Jean Barrett. She was the first woman to sail around the world. Next, Laura Decker. At the age of 60, she became the youngest person to sail solo around the world. The last topic in this part, mixed bag. Here you can see some questions and their options. First question is, who is the author of The Room on the Roof? That is Ruskin Bott. Next question, which planet is known as a dwarf planet? That is Pluto. Next is, where is the coldest place on the earth? That is Antarctica. Next is, name the world's largest underwater coral reef. That is the Great Barrier Reef. Next is, which of this is the keyboard shortcut for copy? That is Control plus C. Next question, who has called the Taj Mahal as a teardrop on the cheek of time? That is Rabindranath Tagore. Next is, which of the following is a type of ice cream that originated in Italy? That is gelato. Next, in which country is the Temple of Heaven located? That is China. Here you can see two logos. Tell the names of this organization. First one is World Trade Organization, that is WTO. Next is North Atlantic Treaty Organization, that is NATO. That's all in this part. See you next class.